Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing, my fellow shoppers. So for today's video, we are checking out this big, heavy-duty ioSafe. Now, you may be wondering, okay, what comes in the box, what's it look like, and what's the purpose? Well, let's get to it. So guys, it comes fully padded inside of the box. Now this is a heavy-duty unit, and when I say heavy-duty, it's actually very heavy. So this, my friends, is designed for continuously uploading your data from your computer, from your devices, to this for storage. Now, this is very important for anybody that uses a lot of data like me. So we have multiple channels, multiple stuff, and for us, we need our data to be backed up because if a hard drive fails or something fails, this will back it up automatically. You can set everything up and that way you're protected. So let's go over a couple things here. You have power mode here, you have a USB port here, you have copy mode, disk 2, 1, LAN 1 and 2. Let's go ahead and show you guys the back here. Now again, when I say heavy duty, this is very heavy. It's very heavy duty. You have your internet backup, you have your USB ports and other specs on the back, a cooling fan for your actual unit. Now this is an enclosed unit, as you guys see. Everything is enclosed. So this is some of the supplies that they give you. They give you the power cable, obviously. They give you your manual. Also your LAN cable as well as tool for opening it up if you ever need to, and of course your manual. So you install the hard drives and then you connect to your router. So it goes a full follow on screen, full manual, goes over everything, shows you guys what to do, how to use it, and all that fun stuff. It is a very heavy duty unit and it's going to come in handy for us for all of our needs. So if you're looking for security and backup, this is definitely something you guys want to check out. To replace hard drives and add hard drives, you simply use the tool that they provide you and open up the front here. So you're just going to thread this out the whole way. Make sure you don't lose your bolts. Now, as you guys can see, it's firmly sealed inside here. Nice and secure. So this is a major important for keeping your data, keeping your items safe. If something ever happens, protects it from damage, fire. Check out the listing for more information. As you guys can see in here now, our hard drives are nice and stored safely inside. Loosen up the other bolt and now you can pull out your hard drive just like that. So very important for safety, very important for storage. You guys can upgrade the hard drives if you want. You can add bigger, but these are 4 TB, so these are perfect for us, for our data. Very nice, very nice, my friends. And seriously, it's very important that people have this, that have a lot of files and deal with their business and related. This is very important, and this is really high quality build as well. So I'm impressed with the build. Just like that. And down inside, it's all connected. Everything is sealed off. We're gonna go ahead and put it back together, but highly recommend this, guys. Highly recommend it. Again, guys, fireproof, waterproof, 220 plus. Very important, my friends. Very important for all creators, for all businesses. You guys got to be smart with your data. You need to have a backup that is safe and secure, so you don't lose all your stuff from fire, from water damage, or, you know, it's good just to have a backup for your personal movies, files, anything and everything.